How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can fix if Instagram is not letting us log in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the problem here is quite simple. If you go and open up Instagram, you go and try to go to the login page, but Instagram doesn't let you log in. Now why is this happening? First of all, I want you to check whether your internet is working fine. The other one, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. So type in Instagram, check if it has and latest update available. Once done, just tap the open option here. Now if it's not letting you log in, luckily if your account is already saved, you can just log in using that saved account. Otherwise, just go to log in with another account. Now another thing you want to make sure is that your credentials are correct, because if your credentials are not correct, you will not be able to log in as you'd be able to find it. So basically what you want to do is, let's say that you go ahead and then just log out. So let me just try to log out over here. Once I log out of my account over here, if it doesn't let me log in, you also want to make sure that your credentials are correct. Sometimes the issue also happens because you have turned on two-factor authentication, which means if you try to log in, it will most likely send a code to your phone number or to other devices where your Instagram account is logged in. So try to log into those devices and try to approve the notification to see if that helps you solve your problem. So hope this video helped you as to how you can fix Instagram not letting you log in. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.